Hey guys, so I just got some boxes from Toreba, which is an online arcade crane game. Well, some are cranes, some have ping pongs. I'm sure you've seen other videos on YouTube about this. I go through these spells where I get my free ticket, I win nothing. And then I'll pay a little bit to play for a while, let you give me free tickets, and then I'll win a whole bunch of stuff in a row. So this was 3 wins. I already popped open one box. I was like, oh no, I want to make a video of this. So I'm going to show you the item in each box. One box has 1, one box has 2. And then I will try to insert, right after I show you the item and talk about it, I will insert my win, which mostly should be ping pongs. I think they're all ping pongs. Okay, so my first one is this little adorable cutie. And I can't remember what she is from right now. Here it is. Oh, it's all in Japanese. Yeah, but she's cute. There's no slip here telling me what she is. But she's adorable. If you're going back into foster care, having these on hand will be helpful. Sorry, this box is not open. I usually try to open this stuff before I go live, but it literally just showed up and I popped open one and then said, oh no, I want to make a video. And so yes, in case you guys notice, this is on my cooking videos. I bite my lip and my tongue. The first one is a Diglett. Isn't it cute? I love him. That's actually my second one, I guess. So it's a Diglett. He's pretty big. So he'll be cute. There's another truck. And then my last item is a bone with pink paint on it. It's so cute. And somebody said they thought the bone came out, and it does look like the bone comes out. But I'm not going to take the bone out. But yeah, so I have a bright, metallic-y, pink bone. I'm going to take this one out because this one was totally for myself. Oh. I tried doing this for a couple of days. And see, there's the bone. And inside it's like really soft, but it's meat. I mean, I wouldn't eat meat if it came in this color, but it's still a cute pillow. Nice and soft. So pink bone. And that's my 3 prizes that I got from Toreba. Some people call it Toreba, some people call it Toreba. I call it Toreba. I don't know. That's my picks. So have a great day and thanks for watching.